Yeah, so let's look at May of last year. I was hovering around 176. Then in June, I went up to 185, mid-June. Started losing back the weight last July, hovering at least under 180. Keeping in mind, prior to keto, my heaviest was 220. August, September, there was a gradual increase above 85, approaching 90. October, I hit 90. November, I'm at 95. December, stabilized around 195. Most of the time, I can feel when I'm that heavy, and then I usually kind of become a little more serious, return to low carb, and that was in January, but not being really consistent with the diet, incorporating more carbs, cheating here and there, dealing with cravings because I'm not consistent. Still hovering around 195 or just below, maybe 193 in February. Approaching March, the summer, starting to think that I'm pretty fat in my nice clothes I bought the previous season at Tommy Hilfiger and Calvin Klein that were form-fitted were, well, let's just say they weren't fitting properly. So by March, we're still hovering around 190, at least stabilized at 190. April, May, I have no idea what happened in May. May started making an effort around May 10th because I lost, I was 197, I remember, when I started May 11th. Then I went on a strict carnivore diet. The majority of what I was eating was lean steaks and some ground beef, occasional eggs. I laid off the cheese for a while. And yeah, you know, I had like a surf and turf here and there, but primarily relying solely on beef, definitely in ketosis. And I wanted to see how fast I could lose some of this weight. My appetite became under control. This is very common when you enter into nutritional ketosis. And I was able to start having one meal a day where I'd try and get as much beef in me as possible and would last the whole day at work and eat around 6 to 8, sometimes 10 o'clock at night. This started at May 10th. So definitely one meal a day. And I did throw in a 3-day fast probably around May 15th. May 20th, yeah, probably May 15th. You can see when I started making the effort, I was kind of still stable. I wasn't losing weight the first few days. I was kind of wondering what was going on. May 20th, you see a steep drop occurring. But notice, like, we're looking at that blue line, that thick blue line. It kind of gives you the average trend of where you're going. But look at all the ups and downs between May 10th and May 20th. When I started, I was like 194, popped up to probably 196, then 198. That was really discouraging. I was kind of like, is keto not going to work anymore kind of thing? So yeah, sometimes it takes a good week or two for some people. And then suddenly you might start losing 2 or 3 pounds, you know, in one day. So definitely yo-yoing up and down with the weight. And then around May 21st, I you know, started hitting more the 192, probably went to 194, whoops, dropping down just before June 1st. But look at that steep now decline that is very consistent. And today I'm weighing 195. So this is, where are we today? We're the 13th. So started May 11th. And now we're June 13th. So following a strict carnivore diet, eating only when I was hungry, I was able to drop a good 11 to 12 pounds in 1 month. Feeling great, no more cravings, and I'm on a roll, people.